Hello, I'm here to demonstrate how to export records retention schedules in Excel format from the Washington State Archives website. Step 1 is to go to the Help for Government Agencies tab and then down to Records Retention Schedules under the Services column. From here, you will go to the Search Records Retention Schedule Database button. The database is set to Core, all categories in Core, and Active Series by default, but you can change these based on what schedule you want to export. To export in Excel format, you will go to the Download Results button here at the top. This will export a file called exportedretentionlist.xls. Here's an example exported retention list file. Thank you for watching this demonstration of the export function in the Washington State Archives Records Retention Schedule database.